Hello, Enrique the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to pop your back tailbone by levitating. And what I mean by levitating is lifting yourself up and bending your knee, which means you're floating above the ground. And the first thing you gotta do is find a platform that's waist high. For example, a kitchen table right in the corner. You can lift yourself up and then bend your knee. If you're lucky, when you do it your first time, you hear the pop. If you're having a hard time, I recommend you put weights on your ankle or just push and jolt up and down. Let me show you how it's done. Find something that's waist high, for example, this frame right here is waist high. And then you just lift yourself up and then you can hear a pop. And then if you're having a hard time, just lift your knee and then jolt up and down. Alright, that's how you pop your tailbone. Remember to consult your chiropractor, physical therapist, or doctor because I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.